This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Sharon Cohan. View a spectacular sunset overlooking the lake from your comfortable lanai. This spacious second floor unit has 3 bedrooms, a den, 2 bathrooms, a laundry room, and a 2-car garage. You will find your new home is turnkey ready, lovely wood grain tile floors throughout, granite countertops, stainless steel appliances and a wine cooler, AC 2018, water heater 2019. And #XD and #SAW and #XD and #SAW. Pelican Marsh is home to 2 golf courses, equity golf, tennis courts and their own restaurants. Conveniently located minutes to world-class shopping, dining, beaches, a movie theater, and schools. This is a must-see. Bring your checkbook and your toothbrush. Ready for you to move in today. For more information, review the details below or contact Sharon Cohan at 239-370-2323.